Are your Amazon advertising ads suspended? If so, I'm going to show you how to get them reinstated in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. First, you want to double check that your product was actually suspended from Amazon advertising. Now, Amazon advertising is a whole different section than the regular Amazon. So you want to check this notification bell. Sometimes this notification bell tells you if your product was suspended. You can also go to a campaign. So if we're going to this campaign, we click on it and then we click on products. There's going to be a button that says, here it is, products right here. We click on that and you can see that it says not approved right here. Sometimes Amazon doesn't even notify you. And all of a sudden you're not spending any money, or you can't spend any money on ads. You can also attempt to create a campaign. So you can create a brand new campaign, click create campaign, go to sponsored products, create a campaign, scroll down and find your product, and it'll say ineligible. So those are multiple ways to figure out if you're even allowed to run. And now I know 100% that I'm not allowed to run. So now I'm going to go to the next step. Step number 2 is to contact Amazon advertising support and ask them, why is my ASIN not able to run ads? Please reinstate my ads. You want to ask Amazon advertising support. This is not seller support. This is advertising support. So what you're going to do is go into your campaign. You're going to go to your support center right here and click that button. Once you go there, it's going to take you here and you're going to go to troubleshooting. And then you're going to contact Amazon, the Amazon advertising team. So let's fill out the category. And this would most likely be sponsored products. It depends, but usually it's sponsored products. And then campaign paused or suspended is usually the issue as well. So a chat is usually the best and the most recommended because they'll give you a lot more information than on the phone, but try each one. And then, your language, put your subject, your description, choose the campaign. It shows you the campaign and the ASIN. I like to upload a photo as well. So if it does say ineligible, take a screenshot of that. Note that sometimes Amazon just randomly stops your campaign from running, and you should still be contacting them to get it reinstated and good to go. Before we go to the next step, I just want to show you that one of our clients was suspended just for having stimulator in the title. All of a sudden, Amazon decided they don't like the word stimulator and they suspended us from advertising just because of that. So when you contact Amazon seller support, what you want to do is say, why? What is it? They specifically told us the word stimulator was the reason. Once we got that removed, advertising was reinstated. Note that sometimes you need to contact multiple times. So it depends on the rep. If the rep is having a good day or if they're experienced, they may be able to pinpoint exactly what the reason is. Just like this one told us, it's the word stimulator. Remove it from your images, remove it from your title. And when we did that, it was reinstated. Even though competitors have it, Amazon doesn't care. And then also, you want to definitely check Amazon's advertising policies. So you can just type in Amazon advertising policies, or usually the seller rep will find it. And it has a list of prohibited images and videos. You're going to need this to reference to Amazon. Sometimes you need to reference the specific legalities, and that gets your product reinstated as well. I'll be showing you that shortly. So step number 4 is to update your actual Amazon listing. If it has the word stimulator and Amazon tells you it can't have that word, you need to remove it. Start removing everything that Amazon says is not allowed to get that reinstated. Once you remove it, triple check it. This word stimulator or maybe one of your images is removed. Go back to the Amazon advertising team and ask for reinstatement. At that point, Amazon usually reinstates your listing. If they don't reinstate your listing, I'm going to be giving you some pro tips if it's still not reinstated. Before we do that, please consider liking and dropping a subscribe below. Not only does it help my channel, but you're helping other viewers see this that are Amazon sellers. So it helps them see this, it helps them grow, and it helps them succeed against these BS Amazon issues that we're trying to resolve. Let's dive back in. Okay, so if you're still not, you removed it, you did everything that Amazon advertising said, and they said, hey, we're still not going to reinstate your Amazon ads, you have some pro tips, and the 3 pro tips are below. You can chat and call again with multiple seller reps. I mentioned this already. Talk to different seller reps and see what's going on. Not advertising reps, seller reps. Say, hey, does my if Amazon says you're violating a sexual policy or your product looks sexual, you want to call Amazon seller support and say, hey, does my product look sexual to you? Does it, does it look like this? Does it still say this? Does it? Ask them. And then you're going to have notes and written. You're going to get one seller support member that says, no, you totally should be running ads. This is not a sexual product. Amazon's messing up. You will get somebody who says that. So you need backup. That's your backup. You collect that case ID. You write it down. Also, you can wipe your entire listing. This is something that we have to do if nothing works, is you wipe your listing and you kind of just have, let's say it's just the box and you have tons of application images, tons of A+ content. We suspend that all. We make the title super short. You kind of get the gist. We change things around and make it extremely PG. Extremely PG. Then that usually gets us that reinstatement. So we have case IDs from other Amazon sellers and we wiped the listing, which is a last resort, but it works every single damn time. Then you're going to reference Amazon's policies. You're going to review Amazon's policies. Let's go back to the policies from Amazon. And you're going to review the Amazon policies and tell them you reviewed the Amazon policies and you don't violate any of them. So that's a hard hit. Once you do that, you're going to collect that information and you're going to say something like this: dispute Amazon advertising port and tell them, we have reviewed the Amazon ads guidelines and acceptance policies and found that our product does not contain any adult content or sexual intent in any shape or form. We also verified it to the catalog team, the leadership team, that the adult product they reviewed and verified it doesn't have adult content. Here's the case IDs. Please reinstate my ads. This usually gets the advertising team all scared. They're like, wow, this person did their due diligence, and reinstates it. If not, you just need to contact multiple advertising agents and somebody will escalate it and get this resolved for you. Sometimes you have to do the extra work to get it resolved, but I hope you got it resolved earlier instead of later. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and don't go for your average Joe. Contact EHP Consulting Group because we're experts at ads, and not only ads, but managing your entire Amazon Seller Central account so you can save time, money, and most importantly, increase your sales. Also, drop a comment below if you learned something new or if you want to see us create a video. Have any problems? Comment below and we'll make a video for you regarding Amazon to help you succeed. Talk to you soon.